In this video, we're going to talk about the settings tab in the funnels section. So here in the settings tab, you're going to be able to name your funnel or rename your funnel. You're going to be able to add a default path, which is kind of irrelevant because you control this in the steps area when you're configuring each funnel step. You're going to be able to add heading and body tracking codes or custom JavaScript and CSS. So this is for things like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and any other applications that you need custom JavaScript for that you can add here. You can obviously you're going to need to connect it to a domain. So this is very important. So if you haven't already added a domain to your automation CRM, you're going to need to click this button here or reach out to your administrator if you don't have access to, if you don't have the permissions to add your own domains. But once you do add a domain, all you would do is click here and select the domain, and then that domain is going to get mapped to your funnel. So for example, if you added www.testfunnel.com, you would click here, select that, and now this entire funnel would run off of that domain name. Your favicon or your favicon is what shows up, the little image that shows up at the top of the internet browser on the top of the screen. It's most likely going to be your company logo of some sort. And then down here we have payment mode and we have chat widget. Okay, so these are just little selectors. Now payment mode, if you want to test out the payments, test out like the products and the transactions, you can simply click this into test mode, okay? And then every transaction that you make is just gonna be a test transaction. It's not gonna charge a card or go through to anybody's bank account. And then when you're done testing, you just click it to live, and then all transactions on all products in your funnel will be fully functional and live. And then chat widget is out of the scope of this video, but we offer a SMS chat widget for lead generation and support. And if you want to just simply enable it on this funnel, you would just click that to enable it, or you can keep it disabled if you don't want it on this funnel. Okay, when you're ready, you would just go down here to save out all your changes. And then if you wanted to delete this entire funnel, you can do so here. We do check for confirmation before you do that because this is a permanent action. So we require you to type in the word delete in all caps just to make sure that this is the choice you're looking to make. And that's about it for the settings tab. So I will see you guys in the next video.